Hey guys, I just got a new phone, and yeah, it's me again. I just got a new phone, and today we're gonna be doing the opening of Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Time for Teamwork. Here's the front, the side, the other side, and the back. So on the front we have Percy, Thomas, Diesel, Nia, and Kana, and we have the episodes. Get it, focus. Okay, the episodes are A Thomas Promise, Rules of the Game, Biggest Adventure Club, A Wide Delivery, Counting Cows, Chasing Rainbows, Overnight Stop, and Roller Coasting. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down since I gotta take it out. Alright. Here's what the disc looks like. So, I'm gonna go pop it in my DVD player. Alright. Checked. Or just put it in case. And that was my DVD opening of Thomas and Friends All Engines Go. Time for teamwork. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera down again to put this back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.